All right, let's dive into something that's, well, it's both fascinating and honestly kind of terrifying when it comes to AI security. We're talking about a huge problem that doesn't come from some shadowy hacker, but from inside your own walls. Yep, from your IT department. And just so you know, the insights we're breaking down today are pulled straight from Chapter 7 of the AI Security Tutorial by Virtualization Options LLC. So let's just get right to the heart of it with a big question. What if the very people you trust the most, your tech wizards who build and protect everything, what if they are, without even realizing it, your single biggest security threat when it comes to AI? And that right there is what we're calling the IT paradox. See, your IT pros know security inside and out, but they also have the keys to, well, everything. And when you throw powerful public AI tools into that mix, the whole risk game changes. And it changes fast. So here's the deal. It's this crazy push and pull, right? On one side, you've got their expertise. These folks get the risks better than anyone. But on the other side, you've got their exposure. They have admin access to credentials, to source code, to network maps, the whole shebang. It's that unique combo that makes their AI use so incredibly high stakes. I love this quote because it just nails it. Think about that for a second. Your IT team literally holds the keys to the kingdom. But when they paste a little bit of code or a config file into a public AI to get some help, it's like they're handing those keys over to a scribe who might just be telling everyone what they wrote down. So what are these digital keys anyway? We're not just talking about passwords. No, it's way, way bigger than that. We're talking about the actual blueprints of your entire technical world. You really need to grasp what's on the line here. We're talking API keys and secrets that give direct machine-to-machine access. The system architecture, basically a treasure map for an attacker. Details about vulnerabilities you haven't patched yet. The company's secret sauce, its proprietary source code. And get this, even your disaster recovery plans, the very playbook on how to recover from an attack, could be leaked. Okay, enough theory. Let's talk about a real story, because this stuff actually happens. We're going to walk through the anatomy of a complete disaster, and this comes directly from a real incident report. And just to be super clear, this isn't a made-up story to scare you. This is a real case from a financial services firm. Every single detail we're about to go through is documented in the files of a breach that all started with one simple mistake made by someone trying to do their job. So how did it all go down? It started with something so normal, a debugging session. A talented DevOps engineer was stuck on a nasty Kubernetes problem. So he did what a lot of us would do. He pasted the config files into ChatGPT for a quick solution. And for weeks, nothing. But here's the scary part. Those AWS keys and database credentials he pasted were just sitting there, getting absorbed into the AI's training data, a ticking time bomb. And then it happened, the breach. Attackers got in using the exact credentials from that debugging session. The fallout was just brutal. Customer financial data stolen, huge regulatory fines, lawsuits, and in the end, that engineer and his VP both lost their jobs. And the total price tag for that one little copy-paste? Well, the number is redacted, but we're talking a multi-million-dollar catastrophe. That's the cost of one good employee trying to be efficient with a tool whose risks weren't fully understood. Okay, deep breath. That was the scary part. So what do we do about it? How do we stop this from happening to us? The answer isn't banning AI. No way. It's about building smart, digital guardrails so your team can innovate safely. This is how we fix it. This framework is your roadmap. First up, manage your secrets. Use tools to scan for and lock away credentials so they're not in the code to begin with. Next, you have to classify your data so everyone knows what's top secret and what's not. This one's huge. Deploy approved secure tools. Give your team something like GitHub Copilot for business, and they won't feel the need to go use risky public sites. From there, you make human security review mandatory for any AI-generated code. You conduct specific training for your tech teams on these exact risks. And finally, you have to monitor and control. Use data loss prevention, DLP tools, that can spot and block these mistakes before they ever become a disaster. And all this leaves us with one last, critical question that you need to ask yourself. Take a hard look at your own organization. Are your technical teams truly set up to innovate safely with AI? Or, without these kinds of guardrails in place, are they just an accident waiting to happen?